Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reacting to Petey Gets Chips. I think there's going to be some swearing in this one, so I'm not sure if we're able to post it, but okay, let's start. My ears! What? Whatever. I'm drinking. Oh. No. What? What the hell? Oh. He's probably thinking about Dogman. I mean, ranch and yo. Bruh. Why do the kids know that? Why do the kids even know that? ASMR. I mean. Oh. I'm sorry, Petey. Oh my god. It's me. No, Grandpa. Not his dad, I hate him. Okay, goodbye. My ears are broken, so bye, guys.